Yeah, go ahead. Nope. Ooh, they almost made Fall mad.
Hey, chocolate man.
You just want to stand back here for it. I don't understand it. What's up, guys? James Casino, Chocolate Man, Thailand, and
สวัสดีค่ะ
Fall's hungry once again. So we're checking out a spot here in Pattaya called the Rainforest Cafe. Yeah, anyway, let's see what they got going on. Let's go inside. Come on. All right, let's check out the menu, guys. Look at those nice pictures. Such a good thing. I love it. Ooh, get a rainbow cake. Making you hungry. Uh-oh. And some empty pages. What they got over there, baby? Anything good?
Thai seafood.
Thai seafood. Nice. We got like 3 different menus. Pretty legit. Let's get some snacks. Hungry?
Yes.
Of course. Ooh, they almost made Fall mad. They were holding out on her. They had a whole sushi menu they didn't give to us. So, yeah, you know that girl's going to get some raw fish in her life. She loves it.
Happy now.
Never fails. Fa has ordered like 12 plates of food and still trying to get mine. Come on. Come on. Yeah, go ahead. Nope. Why smiling, happy Thai girl? Why you smile like that?
I
Oh,
have
looky here.
chocolate, drink and coke, same time.
That is quite the chocolate drink they hooked her up with there. Mm-hmm. Looks delicious.
I hope I can eat. Wow.
This girl in food never stops. Oh, the damage is here. Yep. But, you know, it's fair. We got like, I don't even know how many dishes, so look at that. It was a lot of food. Totally worth it, though. Okay. It's time for the ritualistic feeding of the fish by Fa. Done? There you go. Okay, guys, had a great time here at the Rainforest Cafe. Pretty cool spot. I hope you guys enjoyed the little tour around. Saw everything in there, all the amazing food, really good. Actually, our food was a little bit more expensive than we thought. It was like 2,300 baht. Oh, yeah, they actually forgot to charge us for one of the things we ordered, so they ran after us. They're like, hey, because if the staff screws up, they end up paying for your food, so not good. That would have been a lot of money for them. So yeah, we were happy to pay. Anyway, so yeah, total about 2,400 baht. Whatever, really good food. We enjoyed it. Of course, she had lots of raw things, so she was very happy.
Yeah.
Awesome. Anyway, come check this place out. Really nice. The owner is in here like every day, running around, trying to talk to people and make sure everything's running smoothly. So that's always a good sign of a business when the owner's there with his hands getting dirty. So that was pretty cool. Like to see that. And then it's just really neat in here. It's just really scenic place. All right, guys. Anyway, I'm not sure we're doing anything else interesting today, so we'll call it a day. We're out of here. James Casino, Chocolate Man in Thailand.
and bye bye